this Valentine's Day, plan a fancy romantic dinner. Or enjoy long romantic walks to the fridge and be your own Valentine. Whatever the case is, this is Cook with Dhaval, and I got you covered with these two easy and super tasty baked chicken recipes. Caprese chicken and thyme garlic chicken. Alright, for the first type, I'm using bone-in chicken breast and I'm making a slit in the center. I've removed the skin and Frenched it to make it fancy. Be sure to flip your chopping board after you're done with your chicken. And now start by cutting some mozzarella cheese. I'm using soft mozzarella, but you can use any variety like bocconcini or burrata. Works just fine. Followed by these fresh basil. I'm using a technique called shredding basil, and these beautiful heirloom tomatoes goes next. To flavor them, I will chop some garlic and season it with some salt, pepper and dash of extra virgin olive oil. Mamma mia, Italiano! Give it a nice mix and stuff this beautiful mixture inside the chicken. Also, I put some on the top to make it look nice. And our caprese chicken breast is ready to bake.
In Italian, it would be said as caprese.
Also, consider subscribing to my channel.
Subscribe.
Alright, let's start by making thyme butter. For our thyme and garlic butter, I'm dicing some soft butter. I will add in some chopped garlic and thyme, which is a really nice fragrant herb. I will pick the leaves from the thyme, chop it fine and add it onto our butter. And yes, don't forget to season it with some salt and pepper. I like to season everything. Time to season our bone-in skin-on chicken breast with some cracked pepper. Poke it with a little bit of forks. For the absorption of maximum flavor, season it with some salt to taste. Be generous with the salt. And now our thyme garlic butter will be stuffed under the skin for this chicken. Top it with a thyme sprig, a garlic clove, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. I'm using some signature dried Italian herb mix, and voila, our Italiano Mamma Mia thyme garlic chicken breast and our caprese chicken breast is ready to go in oven. Don't forget to line up your baking tray with parchment paper for easy cleanup, and you can thank me later. Bake it in convection oven for 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes depending on size of your chicken, and make sure that your chicken is well cooked. No mid-rare there. Meanwhile, in separate pan, heat up some olive oil and saute asparagus. Flavor it with some thyme, salt, black pepper, a little bit of butter. And once that's done, in same pan, I will saute some mushrooms. I've just quartered them. Drizzle it with some olive oil, season it with salt and pepper, and for that extra flavor, add some thyme and chunk of butter. And don't worry if you miss out on some step, because I will be linking detailed recipe in description box below. And when that's done, in separate bowl, add in mixed green lettuce. I will season it with some salt, add in those beautifully chopped heirloom tomatoes. You can even use cherry tomatoes or Roma tomatoes, whichever tomatoes you have. Cracked black pepper, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste, and squeeze of lemon juice to give that extra zing. And shredded basil, because it's my favorite. Now comes the fun part. For plating, drizzle in some balsamic reduction. It's a vinegar which is reduced to the sauce consistency, and you can easily find it in any store. Top it with some tomato salad we made earlier, and while plating up, show some flair. Awaken the chef within you. Simultaneously, for second plate, I'm just using some sauteed onion rings. I will top it up with our delicious sauteed asparagus and mushrooms, and voila, our second plate is ready. My chicken is well cooked, and now it's time for the moment of truth. We need a drum roll here. Look at that yummy filling. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't be so selfish. Share this tasty recipe with all your friends. After all, it's Valentine's Day, right? And now for thyme garlic chicken, slice your chicken breast and place it like a chef on that plate. And don't you dare waste all that delicious chicken drippings. I've reduced it down in my pan and I'm using it like a sauce to drizzle it on my hot, tasty thyme garlic chicken. Try these awesome recipes for yourself, share them with all your friends, spread the joy, spread some love. And to watch more fun recipes like this, like, share and subscribe to Cook with Dhaval. I have made it easy for you. Just click that circle. Yeah, my face, that photo, just click it and you will go to the subscription link. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss out on such fun recipes. Also comment below which recipe would you like to see next on my YouTube channel.